Imagine waking up to the news that an asteroid big enough to wipe a city off the map is heading towards Earth. This isn't a movie plot. It's a real-life scenario that scientists and governments practice for. Let's walk through it. An initial alert goes out. A potentially hazardous object is detected. It's somewhere between 300 and 1,500 meters wide. That's massive. All we know for sure is that it will hit the Northern Hemisphere in a few years. Panic starts to set in, but scientists get to work. Over the next few months, they refine the trajectory. The impact zone is narrowed down to a terrifyingly wide corridor stretching from the Caspian Sea, across Central Europe, and all the way to Britain. Every city along this path is faced with a potentially existential threat. The scale of the destruction can be from regional to global. Millions of people are now in the potential path of destruction. What would we do next? Please stay tuned for the next part to see how this global crisis unfolds and how our teams assessed it.